Hello there, my name is Paul Harvey and I'm a marketing coach and a web strategist. Someone today asked me about creating Facebook events and if it was still possible, and it occurred to me that it's one of those things that kind of slipped and disappeared a bit and may not be noticed. So on your Facebook profile, on your plain profile, on your home page of your profile, you'll see some stuff down here on the left hand side, newsfeed messages, and this is the events box. Open that box there and you'll see all the different events that you've either been invited to or there are things going on. You can create an event here at the top and you might put a name on here, so we'll just call it test event. In here you'd add your event detail, and it's important, I'm typing what I'm saying, in event detail, and it's important if you're going to add a link to use the http:// and then www dot and ket-that. We'll put the website in at.com. Okay, so then I've added a web there for the location there. Where it's taking place, so you need to kind of highlight that. Now let's try this. There we go. So we've added something called Callicolos there. The date is going to happen. You would put the, I suspect my software is my recording software is upsetting this a little bit. So you would put the date in here. It's not allowing me to open that box at the moment. And then you would decide if it's invite only, in which case if it's your friends, friends of guests, or public. If it's a public event, anybody can see it, which in some cases is what you want, especially if it's a particular kind of, something that you're doing for business or something. And then down here you would create event. Now, at some point, you can add an event. You can edit the event here, so you can add extra text in there if you want. Let's cancel that a moment. And you can add an event photograph, so you can upload a photograph to the page. So let's pick a picture to upload, because it's now come into here. So let's upload that one, just as an example. I'll take a moment to do that. You can see here the HTTP has created a link there on that point there. So if you need a couple of links going somewhere, that's quite a good thing to do. And there's the event photograph now appearing at the top. So now you can see the event looks like this. It's showing you where the event is being held. And the date information for the event is probably, we'll save change that picture first of all. Because I didn't put a date on it, it's down for today, so it thinks the event is today. If I had changed that, let's see if it lets us edit this now, because it wasn't letting me a minute ago. Yes, it is. Okay, so we'll put down the 25th and we'll save that. And now you can see it's come up with Saturday. And if I edit the event again, let's push it right out up to 28th of March. And if we put a time in here, 1800, and there's a yes end time, that's the important bit, you can then add the next part of the date. So you can add the 30th or something. There you are. And I'm down as a host, and at the moment it's down an invitation only. So there's the test event, so we'll save that there. And as you can see, those details are now appearing in here with the event photograph at the top. Now here's the clever bit, you can invite friends. So this is what's quite useful if you've got something coming up. You can list all these people, click the links of people who are all going to get an invite to your event. And then you can also send updates to friends. So this is a very powerful little tool on social media. And one I think that's actually neglected, is not used anywhere near as much as it used to be. The other thing you can do in the event, of course, is you can add comments. So we've got a thing here. I changed the event, so I put a comment here. This is really good, I'm always amazed by people that can type and speak at the same time. I seem to only have to do one thing. So there we go. That is how you create an event on Facebook. I hope you found it useful.